Trying to install a Java app on a classic feature phone and you need to understand the JAD file first? These descriptors were essential in the era of mobile Java gaming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what JAD files contain and how to use them. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult JAD files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. JAD files are Java application descriptor files used in JADMaker MIDlet deployment for mobile devices. They contain metadata describing a Java MIDlet application, including its name vendor version, jar file, URL file size, required permissions and device capability requirements needed for download and installation on mobile phones. JAD files are Java application descriptor files used in JADMaker MIDlet deployment for mobile devices. They contain metadata describing a Java MIDlet application, including its name vendor version, jar file, URL file, size, required permissions and device capability requirements needed for download and installation on mobile phones. For viewing and interaction, JAD is most commonly opened via JADMaker Micro Edition from Oracle Corporation. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows cannot interpret scripting languages automatically, requiring the proper toolset. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the JAD file and hit Open with Test JADMaker Micro Edition if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you still can't open the JAD file, it's okay. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your JAD file is not opening. First, read the descriptor. Open the JAD file in any text editor to review the application metadata. Key fields identify the application name version vendor and the URL pointing to the associated jar file. The MIDlet entries list the individual applications within the suite, along with their main class names and icon resources. Next, install on mobile device. Transfer both the JAD and its associated jar file to a JADMaker compatible phone via Bluetooth, USB, or WAP download. Open the JAD file on the device and the Java Application Manager reads. The descriptor validates the jar and presents the installation prompt for the user to confirm. Finally, run in a J2ME emulator. Install a JADMaker emulator such as Chemulator or J2ME Loader on Android to run JAD-described applications on modern devices. Open the JAD or JR file in the emulator, which simulates the mobile Java runtime environment. Configure the screen size and input mapping to match the original target device specifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.